Hello. So are you trying to import SentenceSplitter but getting the module not found error that is no module named LlamaIndex.TextSplitter? Well, let's fix it under 60 seconds and import SentenceSplitter. So this error happens because LlamaIndex introduced changes in its latest versions. What used to be directly available in LlamaIndex has now moved to LlamaIndex.core. If you're using code from older versions or blogs or other examples, it might reference the outdated module paths, which is the reason this error might take place. Now to fix this error, simply use this, but instead of importing directly from TextSplitter, let's import it from the location where it exists right now. So the sentence splitter now exists under the node parser module. So now if you try to import this, as you can see, it has been imported successfully. So yes, we can import sentence splitter directly from here. So that's it, error fixed in seconds. If you're facing other such similar issues, check out our channel for more quick fixes and solutions. Subscribe to stay ahead and control AI before it controls us. Thank you.